Section 10, Shadow Analysis. Lecture number 1, Shadow Analysis and Inter-row Spacing, Part 1. Learning objectives of the lecture number 1. Learner should able to understand importance of shadow analysis in photovoltaic system. Learner should able to understand shadow analysis on building and tree. Now, what do you mean by the shadow analysis? Basically, shadow analysis is the analysis of a shadow which is falling over a solar panel. Whenever a shadow is falling over a solar panel, that time the particular part of a solar panel or that part of a solar panel where the shadow is there, that part is shaded, and because of the shading of that part, the solar panel will not generate electricity as per the requirement. And also, due to the continuous shadow over a solar panel, it is possible that there is a creation of a hot spot and there is a decrease in the efficiency of a solar system. When designing a solar system, there is often the need to understand how long a shadow will be, so you can properly plan and row spacing between solar modules. Keep in mind that the sun travels in an arc across the sky, so both the sun's altitude position and the azimuth must be accounted for when determining the length of a shadow. Due to the sun's path, the following is an image of a shadow caused by a stick throughout the day. Basically, this is an animation. A solar power panels were mounted over the roof of one building. So whenever sun travels from east to west, that time the length of a shadow is get varies. So whenever we want to mount any kind of solar panel over a roof, it is very much mandatory to see the shadow analysis. If there any kind of shadow is occurring over a solar panel, then we should not install the solar panel in that space. We should find another place for installation of a solar panel. Shadow of a building. So this is a particular type of shadow length. This is an existing building and this is a new building. Whenever sun is giving his rays, the length of a shadow is coming up to here. So whenever we want to install a solar panel over this building, so it is possible to install because the length of a shadow is not falling over a solar panels which we put on this new building. So whenever we installed any kind of solar panel over a building, we should check the shadow of existing buildings there, shadow of a tree also, shadow of a pole also. Shadow of new building have potential to shade existing solar development also. Moving shadow with sun's azimuth. This is a typical diagram of a shadow of a tree. Whenever sun is at east position, the length of a shadow of a tree is continuously varies as the sun altitude angle is changing. Model of inter-row spacing between the solar panel. This is a typical animation that whenever a sun is falling, its solar radiations over a panel, there is a change of a shadow length throughout a day. So whenever we were going to mount solar panels nearby, so we should focus on inter-row spacing between the solar panel, because the shadow of a first row of a solar panel, it is directly falling over a second row of a solar panel, and because of which there is a hot spot creation is happening over the panel, and there is a decrease in the efficiency and less energy generated due to this. So this parameter is very much important of inter-row spacing by considering the shadow analysis. In later lecture we will discuss in detail what do you mean by the inter-row spacing.